Namaste, welcome to my channel Pallavi's Paradise.
Friends, and the winter season is just started and everywhere is just too cold, and we all crave for this oily, spicy, tasty recipe in this winter. So here is our special recipe, Urad dal Pakoda recipe. So here we need 1 cup of urad dal and then half cup of moong dal. Soak this dal for 3 hours and combine these two dal and grind it without water. And so here our paste is ready. Now we will remove this paste in a mixing bowl and let's prepare for the pakodas. For crispiness, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour and then 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, that is jeera powder, and then add crushed green chili here. You can chop it and add in it, that is all okay. And now I will add salt as per your taste. You can add it. And now I am adding the crushed ginger. So I have taken half inch of ginger, and here don't skip the ginger because it gives nice taste to the pakodas. And here pinch of soda, baking soda I have added. Just mix it well properly. All the ingredients should mix well with this mixture. Here we need to beat this for continuously 2-3 minutes. So keep doing like this clockwise, and with the help of beater I am just mixing this mixture like this anti-clockwise. Now add chopped onion. Onion you can skip here. So if you don't want to add this onion, then let it be. If you want to skip this, you can skip it. If you want to add the onion, and then heat a pan. Add oil in a pan. Let heat this oil properly, guys. So let's check it whether our oil is heated properly or not. So, and now here the oil is heated properly. You can see the bubbles, how the bubbles are coming. Now we will add the pakodas to fry it, and fry this pakoda with low flame only, guys. And do not disturb this pakoda until it gets up. The pakoda itself only gets up. And now after 2-3 minutes our pakoda is cooked well, fried well, and here the pakoda is ready. And so we will remove this pakoda from the oil, and let's follow this procedure for all the pakodas. And so how the pakodas are looking so yum, and it tastes very good. You can feel it, guys, how the pakodas are done, how the color is so perfect, and it tastes very good, so yum. Let's enjoy this pakoda with your family and let me know. And thanks for watching, guys. Thank you. And here pakodas are ready to serve hot.